Hello everyone. Today I will do my laboratory exercises 001 for my course Theory of Programming Language. So programming language has come a long way since its very first inceptions. It has evolved and contained features that are used until this very day. So what are the objectives of these laboratory exercises is to understand the value of recent programming language features, also create a running program based on the recent programming language features. So materials that we need is you can any C-based programming language, Java, C Sharp, C++, etc., or any IDE or integrated development environment that you can use available. I think there's a lot of free there, but you can use Eclipse, NetBeans, etc. But for the meantime, I will use this Visual Studio Code that I installed in my MacBook Pro, which is this one. Okay, so what are the procedure and requirements? Create a C-based program that uses an array to store 10 student information. Name is GPS upload double grade level as a string. Then after that, we need to rewrite the same program without using an array. So we do this number one first is to create a C-based program that uses an array to store 10 student information. So I already create some demo name that I will use on this program. Which is this is 10 names: Adam, Speaker, Clark, Davis, Evans, Fact, Gosh, here's Ewan and Jones. So these are 10 names that I will use. Also the age and GPA and the grade level. So these are all the information that we need for this so-called this one for the 10 student information. So what we need to do is we need to show it create a C-based program, then display these informations using an array. So let's do it first. So I open my terminal. Okay, so let's see .NET new console. Let's see, new console. Create a new console applications. So console application successfully created. You can see from here. Okay, see then you can try to just try to check if can.net run. Let's see first. Running should be showing the hello world is the standard one. When you're creating a console application. So yeah, it's showing the hello world. So now we need to go to that program. Okay, it should be here, created here. So this is a C sharp. Okay, C sharp class. This is a hello world. Okay, so we will write the code from here. So I just need to comment this. So what I need to do is I need to create a string. Okay, string names. So new string and that. So that's my name. For my age should be an integer. So I just put ages. It's new int. Okay, later I will pick that. Another one is for the GPA. Instead of float, we use the double. Okay, double means giving us decimal places. So call GPA as new double, like that. And the last one is string grade level. So I just put something levels because a new string. Okay. So now I already got then for this time, I will do something like look. I create a look. So maybe we put the data first here. Okay, so if we show you, I have this word, so I can just copy this one for the sake of this demo. I don't need to type one by one. So I just put it here inside. Expand this one and hide this panel. Okay. So here you add them and this one, and for the age, I just put this 10 age. Yeah, put this inside because this one is integer, so we don't need the double quote. And this is the dot. This is with a dot sign versus the double. So, and for the levels, this is string. And see the strings here. Okay, now we need to do the look. So I already populate all the put the static data here for the names, age, GPA, and levels. Now we do the looping. So I already have the array. This is already names is already an array. Age is array, GPA is array, levels is array. So I have four array here that storing all this information. Now how do I display it in my program? So I can use, there's a lot of way, but I can use the simplest way they do for int I equals to 0 and greater than less than int is less than 10. Oh, sorry, not int. I is less than 10. Then I plus plus. I plus plus means something you increment. Okay, so just a curly bracket. Then what I need to do is display the information. So I can use this console that right line like this. Maybe I put something like the vocal, and I need to pass the parameter value here. Maybe I put name here in this first one. Age, in the second parameter, and after age I put the GPA. GPA for the third one like this, and for the level, grade level, I got grade levels. Grade level is like this, percent 3. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 parameter that I need to do. So what I need to do is here I need to pass the object. Okay, first is the name. Okay, then we need to put is the I. So this one will be the counter. So if we get first the 0, which is the alarms, and so on and so on. So we also use for the age. Oops. And ages and GPAs, I, and levels. I, yeah, like that. Then I just want to do something console the read line. So stay in the console and the output. Okay, so this is I think is already okay. So what I can do is I can go to my terminal and try it. So let's see console the run, it will also build and run. So let's try. Oh, I can clear it first. Clear and console that run, and let's see what it shows. Okay, it will display all the 10 record or add-ons, 21 GPA 1 grade level, something like this one. Maybe we try to change this to add-ons, put something Apple, and maybe 20. Okay, maybe she's a level 5, and give him a grade of 2, and maybe Baker we it's something 32 years old. Okay, Tim Clark maybe help you put some Clarkson. That's better. Okay, then we try it. And again and run. Just to see it show. Sorry, my program. Okay, so yeah, it show you Apple. Yeah, Clarkson, Apple become 21 and Baker become 32. And this Apple become level 5 and GPA 2, something like this. So our program is running, then our program is running, and so now we need to do is another one is we need to use same program, display same this information, but we need to remove this array. Okay. Okay. What is the benefits of using an array? Okay, using an array is you don't need to do many duplicate things. Then you can do the looping like this, and no need to duplicate the code will be lessened and more easy to understand, and it's easy to manage. Okay, because you can loop it. Actually, you can loop it 1,000 times. Maybe you can loop it this one 1,000 times or something, or just a simple code like this. Then you can loop it many times instead of creating one by one by one. So there's a lot of advantage using the array. Okay. Using array you can look many times. You can look any number you like. You can also look with this one, something like if you have more record, you can look with the record. So that's the thing. So I can even do this like this just to show you what is good in array. So yeah, because I don't have array like this. So if I put here, you can also put something like 10 here. So you have a 10 record only here. It means your array length will be only 10. So you can also see like this. Okay, let's clear this one and run. Actually, it's just the same record. We should show you something like this. But if you put something 9 lower, I think we put some error. Let's see. Let's see. So it's okay there. But if I put this one only 5 and run, what it will be showing. See your error, because your array only length is 5, but your data is expected to here is 10. But if you don't put any numbers in any length here, it means it's 0. It means it will consume a lot. So it's easy to, I think best practice is to define length. So if you know how many array that you will have, then you just put it there. That will be more easy, and your code will be more faster and easy for performance. Okay, that's all for today, and yeah, thank you. Bye.